Hi guys, welcome to Type 1 Diabetic Warriors. I'm Jim. I've got some interesting information for you today from one of the 3 or 4 companies that we believe are on the cutting edge, the absolute leading edge of technology in the pursuit of a complete cure for type 1 diabetes. The company we're highlighting today has got some clinical data that they've released. They're in the middle of their clinical trials. We're not at the finish line here, but it's very encouraging what they put out, and that company is Sernova Corp. Stick with us to the end. We'll have a recap, and I think you're going to like what we have.
Sernova keeps delivering positive clinical trial results with the cell pouch technology. Sernova has just released the results of their second cohort in a diabetes clinical trial, and the findings are truly groundbreaking. The trial involved implanting Sernova's cell pouch system with therapeutic cells into patients with type 1 diabetes. And the results? Well, let's just say they exceeded all expectations. Not only did the patients show improved blood glucose control, but some were even able to reduce or eliminate their need for insulin injections. Yes, you heard that right. Let's look at the details. Would you mind hitting the like and subscribe buttons? I appreciate your support. Okay, to review, Sernova Corporation is a clinical-stage biotechnology company that is developing therapeutic cell technologies for chronic diseases, including insulin-dependent diabetes. Sernova is currently focused on developing a functional cure for insulin-dependent diabetes with its lead technology, the cell pouch system, a novel implantable and scalable medical device with immune-protected therapeutic cells. Here is what Sernova released a few weeks ago in a press release. Type 1 diabetes, T1D, Cohort 2 patient data demonstrates favorable islet engraftment and long-term survival of human donor islets in the cell pouch. To put this in context, Sernova's cell pouch technology is designed to protect donor cells from an immune attack. We have also mentioned in other videos the efforts with Evotec to produce an unlimited supply of implantable off-the-shelf iPSC-induced pluripotent stem cells-based islet replacement therapy. Cohort 2 patients treated with an advanced immunosuppression protocol avoided graft rejection and experienced minimal side effects in comparison to those patients observed in Cohort 1. None of the 6 patients in Cohort 2 treated with the advanced regimen have tested positive for donor-specific antibodies, DSAs, a marker of graft rejection, in comparison to 3 of 6 patients who developed DSAs under the conventional immunosuppression regimen in Cohort 1. Ancillary medication, used in some Cohort 2 patients, demonstrated highly favorable graft survival and function for islets transplanted to the cell pouch and has been integrated into the updated regimen and implemented for all subsequent patient trial enrollments. The company anticipates reporting additional data from Cohort 2 of its ongoing Phase 1 of 2 clinical trial of its expanded 10-channel cell pouch during the second half of the year at major medical conferences. Sernova is pleased to report that this month marks the 4th anniversary of the first patient in Cohort 1 of this Phase 1 of 2 study who will celebrate insulin independence and normalized blood sugar levels, based on 2 transplants of human donor islets to the cell pouch plus a marginal portal vein top-up. Guys, this is a big deal and a real advancement past the many hurdles toward a total cure someday in the not-too-distant future. Did you get that? 4 years insulin independent. The second important point here is that none of the patients in Cohort 2 or Group 2 tested positive for donor-specific antigens. So, Sernova has created a specific new immune suppression that is designed specifically for patients using the cell pouch technology. Very exciting stuff indeed. Jim, back to you.
So, good news there. I think you will agree with me that that looks very positive for the future. Now, we will have a follow-up to this video in a few days, and we will highlight Sernova's hookup with another company called Evotec and take you through the process of what they are working on. Until then, thanks so much for watching, spending some time with us here today. I'm Jim with Type 1 Diabetic Warriors. We wish you all the best. Stay safe, stay on top of those blood sugars, and we'll talk again real soon.